This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 24th of April. I'm Michael Groff. A pattern change taking shape in the southwest states in coming days, and that'll spell cooler weather. In fact, significant cooling likely this weekend. Could we have the possibility of some rain as well? Well, let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here just after 7 a.m. Mostly clear skies in the valley right now. 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 28, humidity 20%. The winds are light, the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, most of us are in the mid-60s to low 70s. Some high clouds across northern Arizona and a few scattered clouds here in the southern part of the state. On the watch warning map, some wind advisories in northwest Arizona, southern Nevada, southern California. Meanwhile, in eastern Arizona and off into New Mexico, those are red flag warnings, an elevated fire danger risk there. Meantime, winter's still holding on up north. Look at that. Winter weather advisories, winter storm watches in parts of North Dakota, Montana, and Wyoming. And in the Carolinas today, flash flood watches. On the convective outlook, a risk of thunder north of the state. And in the coastal Carolinas, there's a marginal risk of severe storms around Charleston up toward Wilmington. So let's talk about our weather in more detail. We'll look at the models, see what's going on here. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Troughing north of Arizona. High clouds around here today. We'll call it partly cloudy. It will be cooler. Yesterday we hit 99 officially at Sky Harbor. I think this afternoon we're about 93 with some breezes. West to northwesterly winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. Gusts to 30 at times in spots. Tonight we're partly cloudy and mild. Lows mainly in the upper 50s to mid 60s. Tomorrow, some clouds, otherwise mostly sunny. There is a small chance of showers and an isolated thunderstorm perhaps in far eastern Arizona as a trough clips the Four Corners region. Otherwise, we'll continue with some breeziness and high temperatures once again mid and upper 80s. On Wednesday, mostly sunny skies. We'll be in the mid to upper 80s. On Thursday, we're about 90 with another system approaching from the north. Friday, we see some rain coming into eastern Arizona. Again, as a system develops, most of the energy and dynamics, most of the moisture stays over the eastern third of the state. We've got a closed low dropping in, and we see that on Saturday. And high temperatures, Friday will be in the low to mid 80s, but Saturday, we might stay in the 70s all day with a small chance of showers in eastern and southeastern Arizona, maybe a thunderstorm. Right now, just not looking favorable for moisture to get this far west. I think most of the action stays east of Maricopa County. And even if you do see rain in the eastern part of the state, it'll be fairly light. I guess our chance of rain here in the valley technically isn't zero. We'll certainly have some clouds around, partly cloudy skies. And again, highs, the latest GFS has us at 77 on Saturday. Boy, that'd be nice. Sunday, we could start out in the 50s in most spots. And then we'll climb back toward the 80-degree mark, the sky mostly sunny. And then here's a week from today. This is Monday, the first day of May. And that looks like a dry northwesterly flow, high pressure off the west coast, high temperatures mid-80s. Here's Tuesday, the 2nd of May. Looks like some energy trying to cut off well to our south and west, otherwise high pressure in control off the west coast. And another little shortwave trough moving through the Rockies. That should keep temperatures in check, highs upper 80s. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday, the 3rd of May. A cutoff low possible west of the Baja. That's 10 days out. Who knows if that's going to materialize at all, but we'll see. Otherwise, high pressure nosing in, high temperatures back toward the low 90s. Looking at the numbers off of the European ensemble, yeah, you see that cooling trend for the week and then much cooler this weekend. We could even stay under that 80-degree mark. We'll have to see. And then warmer as we head into May, as you'd expect. And that first 100-degree day of the year so far does not look like it's going to happen at least in the next 10 days and perhaps not even in the next 2 weeks. We'll see. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks so much as always for watching. Have a great Monday.